Ward's Toys here, y'all. There's another Pokemon opening up, and Dave gonna be opening up Scarlet and Violet Palisade Evolved. Let's see what we get out of this packs right here. See if we get anything. I take anything. There goes the QR code. All right, let's see what we got. I hope everybody's having a lovely day out there today. Down here in South Georgia, it's getting hot. So you better drink plenty of water if you're out here in South Georgia in this heat. Working any. I know I make sure I stay hydrated out here. I don't want that thing called the bear to get me. Got a nice little shiny. Whoa, check this out, y'all. A full art. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. And did we get something else? We got a hollow. Well, y'all, down there was pretty cool. Yep. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video right here. If y'all like what y'all see, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ward's Toys, y'all, and help this old man out. All right, y'all, have a blessed day. Out of here.